Well, hello. I am coming to you from the Kennedy Space Center, which is amazing. I got invited to be part of the social media team and press pass and all these sorts of things for the SpaceX launch tomorrow. But there's a bunch of things for the people that have the press passes today, where we get to meet people and get access to things that normal people don't even get to. So that's amazing. I'm super excited. Got some friends here too, so let's go. Let's check this out. This is where our day is starting, everybody. We are getting our own bus to the actual Space Center. We parked a little further away, but it's pretty cool that we get our own bus. Look at that! Feeling super official. Feeling super cool. And I saw one of my favorite people already. We're gonna go find her. But this is amazing. Look at that. Also, we got a cool swag bag. Thanks, NASA. Kara's not here, which is sad, but I don't have to do this alone. Look, I got friends here.
Teamwork, teamwork.
We got Jackie, super enthused. We love Jackie. And this is the first time I really get to hang out with Dev, Prince Charming Dev.
We love Dev.
You guys are awesome. Are you guys ready for a fun day?
This is gonna be amazing, guys.
2 days.
2 days.
Not just 1 day, 2.
Teamwork makes
Maybe
the dream
3.
work.
We're starting our day at the former astronaut Hall of Fame. The assembly building. We get to go in there tomorrow. Not very many people get to do that, so that is very exciting. It sounds like this is where we're going to be spending the majority of our time today. Out at the actual Space Center for the public is up here at the NASA News Center. This is such a weird but kind of amazing feeling to be where I am at right now. Like, not very many people get to go where we're gonna go, especially tomorrow. This right here is one of the launch towers, and your other two are down here. But I gotta go. We are going to be live on NASA TV. Like, this is so cool. Yeah, this is amazing. Like, thank you, National Space. This is so cool. And the day's just barely started. The news facility into the auditorium. And this is the room for the news briefing that we're going to be sitting in on. This is amazing. I don't even know what to say at this point.
Brent and I have been trying for over 20 years to get this technology into space.
They gave us one of the actual mission patches and stickers of some other recent ones. There's a Marvel themed one with Rocket and Groot. There's a Millennium Falcon one. And this one's a Ridley Scott one, which is so cool. And we might be able to get an actual patch of this tomorrow. So I just got out of the NASA news facility. It was so cool. It wasn't really great to vlog. I'll see if I can find a link to the NASA TV feed so I can just plug it in the links. It was super cool though. We're gonna go down to the countdown clock and go take a picture. So that's gonna be super cool. This day is just amazing. So down there, that's the countdown clock. We're gonna go take a picture in front of it. This is really, really neat. There you go. There's their countdown clock. Now we are on our way back to the bus. So we can actually go to the visitor center. And I can see all the cool stuff at the visitor center because I've never been there before. This is incredibly exciting. I'm still sad that Kara's not here with me, but this is gonna be so cool. So we've stopped for our lunch break here at Shuttle's Restaurant and Bar. Little local place, had good reviews, so we're gonna go check it out. Look at this amazing panorama shot. It's so cool. All the NASA things. Just got back from lunch and now we're at the visitors area of the Kennedy Space Center. So we can go see what the general public can see, which is still pretty exciting because I've never been here before. Jackie drove right past us. Where did Jackie go? We've lost Jackie. It's even Christmas time in space, everybody. It's very cute. Look at all the things you're powering. We're going to nature and technology. Some exhibits from Florida's history, which is interesting. And our rocket launch tomorrow is going to restock this puppy right up in the sky. The International Space Station. Whoa, they have an astronaut training experience. Oh, that sounds super cool. We're sadly not going to be partaking in that in this trip, but that is something to keep in mind. Doesn't get much cooler than this, guys. This is the actual Space Shuttle Atlantis. This has been in space. And it's right here. I'm looking at it. It's so amazing. Look at all these heat absorbing like silicon panels. Elon Musk?
What are you doing here?
Or not.
Oh, you almost got him, man.
Anytime I can go to a museum and see Stephen Colbert, I approve of this museum. How you doing, Stephen? Good? Great. We just spent a long time in there. There is a lot to do in the Atlantis area there. That is so cool. We got to go in a simulation. Jackie and Deb worked the little fueling arm. It was just all in all like a lot of fun. It's totally worth coming to visit. This is the coolest thing. This place is awesome. It's looking like the sun's starting to set over this beautiful skyline with the rockets. Our first day is over. It's been wonderful, but honestly, the best is yet to come tomorrow. We get to watch the launch. We get to go places most people don't get to go. And I'm gonna show you all that I can. And it's gonna be awesome.
I closing sniped you. I sniped your closing. It was all neat and tidy and I just came in and threw you off.
It's okay.
Carry on.
We're super excited.
Carry on.
We're super enthused.
We are super enthused.
About tomorrow.
About tomorrow.
And today's been wonderful. Thank you for coming along with us. I'm so glad that I had friends to share this with, and I've made some new friends. And my friends that are watching, just thank you. And we'll see you tomorrow for more NASA goodness. Good night.